Presenting the Acer 114 AMD Ryzen 3 3250U processor. It has OS, Windows 11 Home and pre-installed software, MS Office Home and Student. It comes with AMD Ryzen 3 3250U processor and perfect combination of performance, power consumption, and value. AMD Radeon graphics and games with the crisp quality. It comes with RAM and storage, 8GB high bandwidth DDR4 RAM and 512GB SSD allows to fast boot up and data transfer. It has 14 inches smooth and clear display, 14 inches HD, 1366 by 768 display on 16:9 aspect ratio and narrow bezels. Enjoy your photos. It also features HDMI, USB 3.2, Gen 1, Type A and C ports and fast connectivity through Gigabit RAM. The delivery box contains one unit, contains laptop 1N and power cord 1N. Adapter 1N and user manual 1N. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.